Good day, today I am going to show you the video installation of ADDS. So first, let's launch our Windows Server 2016 virtual machine. So before managing or creating our ADDS, just make sure that our date and time was updated. Same with our region. Let's proceed to the local server. Let's change the computer name. So I use Bulsu as computer name and click OK. Now we have to restart the system. Let's restart it later. Let's turn off the Windows firewall. Then click the Ethernet properties. Let's uncheck the IPv6 and click the IPv4 so we can configure the IP. So to find the right IP configuration, let's run the command prompt. So just type the ipconfig or ipconfig all command. Then let's find the IP configurations and let's copy it. Now, let's allow the remote connections. Click apply, then OK. Then you may now restart the system. Fully loaded. Let's click the local server. As you can see, the computer name was changed and the other options that we have modified earlier. Let's now add a role. So let's choose the role base. Then click next. Check the Active Directory domain services. Click next. Click next. Let's wait for it to be finished. Now we will see a notification. So let's click the notification, then click the add a new forest. Let's use the bulso.com as the root domain. Then click next. Let's add a password. Now everything is finished. Let's install this. Now we have to restart the system again. As you can see, the server manager is fully loaded and we can see the ADDS on the left side.